Cali Sweets, California. You can order it online. It's just chocolate. I'm about to fuck with my homeboy though.
Good?
What you doing, boy?
I don't know. What you doing? Okay, got loud on there. Shit, white as hell.
I'm hurt, boy.
You see it, boy?
Man, you touching on my
See that, boy? What for the gram?
Shit, give me 15 for a gram.
For a legit gram.
For a legit gram.
Told you I got you, bro. I ain't gonna flame on you, bro. Go over there.
Boy, come through with it.
Check.
Alright, 2 for 25. 2 for G's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Straight from Cali.
Do you know this one?
What's another?
Sweet tarts.
Sweet boy.
I just sold chocolate. $25 for 2 grams. Thank you, Coco.